All right, this is at the HomeTowne Suites in Glendale. We've got a Dover Impulse in here somewhere. Not there, probably. Oh, in here. What the hell? Had its buttons replaced. Oh, that's a good motor. Still Dover DMC. Jesus, this thing's a piece of crap. Stopping up too. So red Mad BS is kind of rare. What? It leveled off on 2 and then stopped and then immediately started back to 1. That's bizarre. Sorry. 1.
Yeah.
Battery charged. Battery charged. Battery charged.
Tres.
I wonder if we'll be able to hear the motor. Nice. Look at this door. It doesn't even latch. Anyway, that's all.